Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. If you're looking for a way to make your bedroom feel warmer, cozier, and full of beautiful boho chic style, you've come to the right place. In this video, we will talk about how to add a touch of macrame accents to your bedroom design. Macrame itself is a weaving art that uses rope, thread, or other fibers to create decorative patterns or designs. In the boho chic bedroom concept, macrame accents are used to enrich the atmosphere with elements such as curtains, wall hangings, lampshades, or beds decorated with wickerwork. Macrame adds visual depth and a natural, organic feel to the bedroom, providing a calm and comfortable feel. Meanwhile, the boho chic style itself is known for its characteristics, which are full of natural elements, earth colors, and designs that are not bound by rules. This style celebrates freedom of expression and creativity, and combines elements from different cultures. In a boho chic bedroom, you will find a combination of various textures such as fabric, wood, rattan, and metal, all of which create an atmosphere that is cozy, full of character, and easy to adapt to the occupant's personality. Macrame is a woven art that has long been popular among home decor lovers, especially those with a boho chic feel. This macrame decoration not only provides an artistic touch, but also adds texture and depth to your bedroom. Starting from wall hangings, curtains, to table accessories, you can apply macrame to various elements. First, let's start with wall decoration. A macrame wall hanging can be the main focal point in your bedroom. Choose a simple motif with neutral colors such as white or cream, or if you want a little color, choose one with earth color accents such as brown, terracotta, or olive green. Hang a macrame decoration above the bed and see how it gives a natural and calm feel. You can also customize this decoration according to the size of your walls or the theme of your bedroom. Apart from that, macrame curtains can also be the right choice to create warm privacy. Not only do they add beauty, but the woven texture of these curtains can also create a calming light effect when sunlight enters the room. Don't forget, small accessories such as coasters, candle holders, or plant pots with macrame accents can also provide charming details in the bedroom. With these small touches, your bedroom will look more lively, but still feel simple and comfortable. By adding macrame accents to various elements, your boho chic bedroom will look more harmonious and feel like a private space that is comfortable and filled with warmth. Boho chic style is all about expressing yourself and creating a free and relaxed space, and macrame is the perfect way to do that.
Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.